Spanish language got 4,000 Arabic originally words. Basically, Muslim lived in Spain for more than 7 centuries. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm gonna surprise you with something very interesting. In Spanish, of course, Spanish got Arabic originally words, like all languages in the earth. Of course, we are people, we live together in one place, the earth, and of course we got influence on each other's. So right now I'm gonna tell you something very amazing, that in Spanish is exactly in the Spanish language got 4,000 Arabic originally words. Yeah, I'm not exaggerating. So yes, right here I'm gonna give you examples, but just keep the number in your mind. It's a very big number. So Muslim lived in Spain for more than 7 centuries. I mean, around 770 years, Muslims were living in Spain. It means Muslim got a big influence on Spain, and of course, the thing which got the most influence, most of this influence is the language itself. I'm talking about Spanish. So Spanish language got a huge influence, came from Arabic language. So right here I'm gonna give you examples, and these examples are very few in a comparison with the big influence of Arabic on Spanish. So right here we got some examples. Of course, I'm not I don't speak Spanish. I just learned Spanish for 1 month, and it was very lazy learning. And right now I'm gonna try to say these Spanish words maybe in English, so excuse my pronunciation in Spanish. First of all, we got the word zait. Zait means oil. Zait. In Spanish it's aceita, something like this, okay? Aceita. So it's very, very close to the Arabic word zait. Okay. Next one is zaytun, means olive. Zaytun. Just listen to the word zaytun, and now listen to the Spanish word aceituna. Very close to the Arabic word. Let's go next. Aruz means rice. Even the word rice in English, it's very close to the Arabic word arroz, rice. So the letters are similar. And in Spanish, arroz. Oh wow, amazing. And let's go to the next one. Sugar. See, even in English, it's sugar. Sugar. Maybe this word is an international word. Sugar. And in Spanish, azúcar, something like this. See? Okay, let's go to another one. Alchemia, chemistry. And by the way, this sign is an Arabian science, Arabic science. Alchemia. So, how we say this word in Spanish? Alchemia, something like this. Wow, it's exactly the same word. Even the in Spanish is like the in Arabic. So alchemia. Next one is al-qal'a, castle. The castle, al-qal'a. You see the hard letter ain, al-qal'a. In Spanish is al-qala. So al-qala, something like this, but they don't have ain. And I always say in my lesson, ain letter is one of the most hard letters in the Arabic language. Al-ain. So in Spanish, there's no ain. I'm not sure if there is no ain in Spanish. If there is ain, whether do you have guys? I'm talking about Spanish people who follow me on YouTube. Do you have ain letter in your language? Just let me know in a comment below. So you see, الترمس الترمز. Amazing, interesting. Let's go to another word. I like this word, diwan. So here is diwan. I'm not. How can I say this one? It's very close to the Arabic word diwan. And here is a place, Jabal Tariq. Pay attention, Jabal Tariq. And in Spanish it's Gibraltar. Gibraltar. Very close to the Arabic word. And Ghazal, it's gazelle in English. So there's gazelle. Wow, nice. Tasa. Tasa means a plate. Tasa. Tasa. Wow, amazing. You see, guys, you see the amazing influence of Arabic language on Spanish. So the examples are many. You just go to Google, search about these examples. You will be amazed. And see you in the next lesson.